It is a first warning alert day across central Alabama for extreme heat. This right here is about as hot as it gets here. We've got 113 the current feels like in Clanton, 104 here in the metro, 106 in Tuscaloosa and Coleman, 108 down in Selma, Alex City, and these numbers will vary through the afternoon. We do have some clouds filtering the sunshine, but it's a scorcher out there. We've got really a sunny sky looking over Vulcan right now. 93 is the current air temperature at Birmingham International, and we expect to climb pretty close to the triple digits today in a lot of locations. You see the extreme heat warnings in place spanning along I-20 all the way back off into Mississippi. It has been 3 years since we had heat levels reach this criteria where extreme heat warnings were needed. So this is no joke. Please take it easy out there today. Of course, there will be some restrictions for outdoor practices. Actual air temperatures approaching the triple digits through the afternoon. You see 99 at 3 p.m. And again, the heat index is high as 113 in some locations. We do have a slim chance for a few storms heading into the late afternoon, evening hours. About a 30% chance across the board. I think a lot of those would favor areas north of I-20 and especially up to the north and east. But we're looking for a cold front to dip south heading into later this evening. And again, that's going to bring some storms into the Tennessee Valley as early as this afternoon. This is 3 p.m. on the future track. You see pretty spotty coverage. But then once we get into this evening, and it may even be after sunset, we're looking for a more organized band of thunderstorms to march south with that cold front. You'll notice a change in wind direction from the north and west, and that's our frontal boundary there. So that side south through tonight. Some heavy storms possible. Some of these could produce some strong wind gusts in this environment through this evening, even possibly overnight. But again, the greatest coverage looks to be up to the north, north and east, and that's where the greatest severe risk lies. Though it is a limited severe risk, the Storm Prediction Center is maintaining their marginal level 1 out of 5 for a severe storm, possibly to produce some strong wind gusts. So that includes Coleman, Blount County, part of St. Clair, Calhoun, Etowah, Cherokee County, greater severe risk up to the north and east. So a few storms through this evening. You see we've got 100 for the forecast high today. Tuscaloosa has made it to that point the past couple of days. Mid-90s tomorrow. I do think the humidity is going to drop slightly behind this front, and that would be most pronounced across North Alabama, but tomorrow likely not seeing widespread heat alerts as we are today. I think it'll be hottest down to the south and west, so that's places like Tuscaloosa, Brent, Centerville, Calera, Selma, down toward Demopolis. Still hot, just not as hot. We do have first warning impact days through Thursday at this point. The heat is going to relent some, but it's still going to be hotter than standard summertime heat, at least through the middle of the week. 97 the forecast high on Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, we're looking at a few hit or miss storms. You'll notice temperatures start to trend down as that big ridge of high pressure loosens its grip. And it's only Monday, but if you're looking ahead to the weekend, well, we are too. It looks like a cold front may move this way between Saturday and Sunday. And it's August, so we're not looking for any cooler weather, but that would drop the humidity, and that would mean comfortable mornings, at least a little bit more tolerable, and then the heat more manageable through the afternoons. As the dry air heats sufficiently, we'll still make it into the low 90s.